Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to share location on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to share location on your Google Map, first open the Google Map application on your phone, and after you have opened your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface you can see the blue icon, which is us over here. Now in order to share that location, you can do it 2 or 3 ways. Right, you can tap and hold on it, and then this kind of interface will appear, and you can see when we swipe up, there is the share button available for us. Tap on the share button over here, and you can see there it says the share displays option over here. Tap on share displays, and you will be able to send your location through maps, location of your maps through Messenger, Chrome, Gmail. You can see all of the options over here. And with that being done, let's close this. Or after doing that, another way is to simply tap on the blue icon over here, and your location will be shown to you like this. When we tap on it, you can see this menu appearing. So let's go back and again tap on the blue dot over here, which shows our location. This is available for us without tapping and holding. Again, there is the share location option available for us. Tap on share location and tap on continue, and again you can see, guys, you will be able to share your location to many of the platforms available on your Android phone, from Facebook to Facebook Messenger to Google Chrome to Telegram and Gmail. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to share location on your Google Maps. And with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to share location on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.